The Diagnostic Medical Imaging Sonography program at College of DuPage prepares students to become sonographers. And how that is done is by teaching people anatomy and physiology, then learning how to use a fancy machine to acquire images of that anatomy that doctors then use to create diagnostic reports.
The program is 23 months, so exactly 2 years. However, they have about a year and a half of prereqs before they can even apply. It is tough. It is very competitive. We get several applicants for 16 to 18 spots.
Once in the program, we discuss the anatomy inside the body just in further detail than any anatomy and physiology course would.
At the very beginning, they're learning an organ a week. They have to learn everything about the liver in 1 week. They have to learn everything about gallbladder in 1 week. So it's very intense.
We learn how to use the ultrasound machine. We memorize protocols, which are the required images and measurements that we take when we use the ultrasound machine. Then we spend many, many hours inside the lab practicing these protocols, learning how to acquire the anatomical information, diagnostic information for the doctors.
My first impression was I was amazed. Wow, we have 9 scanning machines and 9 scanning centers, so we all can take turns. I didn't expect that a community college will have this level of equipment and very clean maintenance.
The classes themselves, they went really well. I mean, we have a whole array of professors, some who are adjunct faculty that are working and then come in to help us for different classes for our scan labs. And so they have their experience from their sites, and they give us all sorts of tips and tricks on scanning and information we need to know.
They also go into hospitals and clinics in the area, 3 8.5-hour shifts a week, practicing what they've learned in the lab on real patients at the hospital setting.
They have a lot of different clinical sites, and they're based in different locations in Illinois, which is nice because some are located more in the city, in Chicago, which can be busier, larger hospitals, and some can be more rural, so you get a taste of both sides with the clinical sites.
The job market is fantastic right now for sonography. There are a lot of jobs available. Our students are getting job offers before they graduate. It's really a great time to go into the field.
After I graduated COD with my Associates in Science and my 3 certificates from the ultrasound program, I got right into the field at Mercy Medical Center, one of our clinical sites. I was fortunate enough to get hired right after being a student there. And my experience here has been wonderful. I am passionate about this field, and I also enjoy teaching, so I like that I'm currently working at a teaching hospital and still getting to encounter COD students.
People should consider coming to College of DuPage and make use of their community college. It's really good. The way they teach us, they put 100% effort. I really liked it.
They're so experienced and knowledgeable. I feel like if I had questions, it was easy to ask them. Very friendly, very professional. And again, so much experience they were able to bring in.
The goal of our program is to make sure our students are successful in life, are going out there and being mentors themselves once they become experienced in the field, and just pass it all along.
I hope the students feel that they had a well-rounded education, were wildly supported by the faculty here at COD, that they feel confident and competent in their knowledge base in being a sonographer, that they enjoy the field, that they love working with patients and providing compassionate care to them. That's my hope for them.